Welcome to the Home Buying Adventure series. Today's topics are limits at home warranty and disclosures. Hi, this is Mary Petruzzi with Team Petruzzi at RE/MAX at the Crossing. If the appliances, furnace, or home is on the older side, having a limits at home warranty can save you money if any of those items covered by the warranty company needs repaired or replaced. A home warranty is usually paid by the seller if you choose to ask for one, but you can get a home warranty on your own at any time. These warranty companies work like an HMO. They have special pricing with certain contractors. So to get the discounted repair cost, you'll need to go through the warranty company instead of calling the repair company directly. Not all home warranties are the same, so ask your realtor who they would recommend. In Indiana, sellers are required to fill out a residential disclosure. It's a checklist of anything and everything associated with the home. The seller will indicate whether each item on the list is defective, not included with the house, or they just don't know. If the seller does mark something defective, it doesn't mean you can't ask for it to be repaired if the inspection confirms it's broken. For any home built prior to 1978, sellers are also required to fill out a lead-based paint disclosure. Your realtor should provide you with a copy of one or both of the disclosures to review and sign. If you have any questions about the home buying process that I haven't covered in this series, please don't hesitate to contact me at mary@teampetruzzi.com and feel free to call or text me at 317-370-5509.